Trophies, I've got such exciting news, and that is that we've been focusing on the wrong thing up until this point. Not just I jump instead, but the whole world. I'm calling the whole world out. Everyone's been focusing on the wrong thing when it comes to being in the best health and the best shape of our lives and getting faster results. Okay? The old focus was focusing on two things. Our mind to muscle connection. What? That's the wrong focus, Trophy Sally? That's right, that's the wrong focus. Focusing on our mind to muscle connection is going out the window. The second focus has been focusing on cardio, right? Heart rate, heart rate, heart rate. The wrong focus. So you mean to tell me that I shouldn't be focusing on my heart rate and the fat burn zone and the cardio zone and heart rate, heart rate, heart rate? No. Goodbye, out the window. Open the window. Goodbye, close the window. See you later forever. We are no longer going to focus on our mind to muscle connection. We're no longer going to focus on our heart rate. Do you know why? Because every bounce on a rebounder is putting resistance against our muscles and our heart 100% of the time. So our muscles and our heart are taken care of. Let's let that go. What we need to focus on is what isn't being taken care of. And that is maximum flexibility and frequency of jumping, keeping our organs and our systems pumped and cleansed. That is what we control. Our frequency in our bouncing in the day and our maximum flexibility potential. When we maximize our flexibility potential, we're going to get the strongest. The stronger our joints are, the stronger our muscles will get. If we focus on frequency with bouncing throughout the day, and we keep our systems pumped and cleansed, and we keep our organs pumped and cleansed, we're going to be healthier. So we're going to be able to maximize our flexibility strength and our muscle strength and our heart health and our lymphatic health and our immune system. So we need to focus on frequency of bouncing throughout the day, our mind to joint connection, so we are as stable as possible in our movements on the rebounder so we can maximize our form and get the strongest in proper form. And then we're going to get faster results. I'm so excited about this, Trophies. Every video from now on coming from I Jump Instead is going to be focusing on mind to joint connection. And then every message that I'm going to be sharing with you here on I Jump Instead is going to be talking about frequency in our day, getting on our rebounder, staying pumped and loose, staying cleansed and pumped, so that we can stay strong in our cells, stay loose in our joints, and stay pumped and healthy in our systems and in our organs. That is the new focus. That always should be the focus from here on, okay? So get on your rebounder for 10 seconds to 2 minutes to 5 minutes frequently throughout the day to keep your systems and your organs pumped and cleansed, and to keep you flexible, to keep you loose, because every time we're not bouncing, we're basically going back into a tighter body. So we need to frequently bounce to bring ourselves back to an open, limber, loose, mobile body. So that's why frequency is key. And that's why if we bounce and we focus on our joints, then we're going to keep it easy world and we're going to keep it in the fun zone, because we're not going to be focused on maximum muscle activation and maximum heart rate. That has got to go out the window because it's causing adrenal fatigue and it's causing an increase in cortisol and it's causing burnout. What we need to focus on is beautiful flexibility in our bodies and staying pumped. Stay pumped, Trophies, okay? So if you liked the message in this video, please comment in the comments below, stay pumped. Just write stay pumped. And so everybody can go in the comments and see stay pumped, stay pumped, stay pumped, stay pumped, stay pumped, and how important this message is. Because this is the newest, most important message that I Jump Instead has ever given and will ever potentially give, is to stay pumped. Frequent bouncing, focus on your mind to joint connection, and stay pumped. Give the video a like if you're gonna stay pumped, and I'll see you in the comments section below. Lots of love. Bye for now.